Yes, now we'll extend this BC up to D. Extend the BC up to D. Then we can apply exterior angle property. Beta. What we can write here? Yes, we know that. What we know here? Exterior angle property. Angle ACD is equal. This is called angle ACD is equal. This let me take for my convenience, which is 4. I am taking here 4 we can take. Now, what we can write here? Angle 4 is exterior. Let me write angle 4 is equal exterior angle is equal sum of two interior opposite angles. Let me write angle 4 is equal angle 1 plus angle 2. What is the condition? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property, which is exterior angle property. Angle 4 is equal angle 1 plus angle 2. Now, both the sides I want to add 3. So let me write here now, adding angle 3 both sides. Sir, why we need to add angle 3 both sides? I want to prove 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal 180. 1 plus 2 there, still I want plus 3. So because of that, adding plus 3 I want right side. But we learned in balancing method, whatever the operation will do right side, do same thing LHS also. So adding angle 3 both sides. Let me write angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. LHS plus 3, RHS also plus angle 3. Now what we can say about this 4 plus 3? Just now we learned 3 plus 4 is equal to, yes, linear pair of angles. We can write angle 4 plus angle 3 is how much? 180 degrees is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. By what reason we got here? We can say angle 4 comma angle 3 are linear pair of angles. A linear pair of, yes, they are linear pair of angles. So we can write angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to how much? 180. Yes. Finally what we got? Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to how much? 180 degrees. This we proved by using exterior angle property. Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This formula will help us when we know two interior angles of a triangle to find third unknown interior angle. With the help of this we can find. Suppose if I know the angles are here, this one is 30 degrees and this one is 70 degrees. This one I don't know the case of x. How can I find that? 30 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180. From there, by applying transposing method, we can find the value of measure of x degrees. Okay children, let's see some example here. They are asking find the value of x from the following diagram. Here they are asking to find the value of x. Even here also they are asking to find the value of x. See x degrees to x. What they are angles? What condition we have about angles of a triangle? Sir, we have sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Let's go for first solution here. So actually there is no name here. Let us give one name ABC. ABC. ABC is the triangle. Now in that ABC triangle, they are asking to find the value of x. They are asking to find the value of x. So what we write here? We can write, we know that. So what we know here? Sum of three angles. So we know that sum of three angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. We can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how much? 180. What is measure of angle A? X plus measure of angle B. What about this symbol? Right angle 90 degrees plus angle C how much? 2x is equal to 180 degrees. X and 3x both are like terms. If there is no coefficient 1x plus 2x, we can write 3x plus 90 is equal to how much? 180 degrees. They are asking to find the value of x. We can find any one method, transposing or balancing. Let us go with transposing. Plus 90 transpose that side. So 3x is equal to 180 plus 95 transpose minus 90 we can write. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 90, 90. X is equal to how much? 90 into 3 transpose by 3 we can write 3 3s are 9, 0. X is equal to how much? 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. So similarly, we will go with the second example also. Second one, they said they are asking to find x. So even second one also, what we can write here? Yes, we can write that. Yes, what we know? We know that. Yes, we know that sum of three angles. Yes, we know that sum of three angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how much? 180. What is angle A? 50 degrees. Measure of angle B 60 plus CX is equal to how much beta? 180. 50 plus 60, 110 plus X is equal to 180. So to find the X plus 110 to transpose that side will become minus 110. So X equal to how much? 70. So that is the way we can find the value of the unknown angle by using angle sum property of triangles. Yes, now in this question you can see better. They are asking find the values of x and y in the following diagram. Here two unknown values are there. They are asking to find the value of two unknown values. See, how can I find y? Any idea from your side? Yes, we know two angles, two interior angles. We have to find third interior angle. So what relation we have between interior angles of a triangle? Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. By using that formula, when we know two interior angles, we can find the third interior angle. So after getting y value, how can I find x? What is the relation between this x and y beta? Yes, x and y both are linear pair of angles. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Like that, we can find the value of x. Yes, let me go for solution beta. We can write 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to how much? 180 degrees. What is the reason here? Reason is angle sum property of triangles. We can write angle sum property of triangles. Yes, 50 plus 60, 110. 110 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to how much? 180 minus plus 110 if I transpose minus 110. Y is equal to 180 minus 110 how much? 70 degrees. I got y value is 70 degrees. How can I find x? What relation we can see about x and y? Yes, we can write now. Yes, let me write now. X plus y is equal to how much? 180 degrees. What is the reason? Sir, both are linear pair of angles. Both the angles are linear pair of angles. X plus what is measure of y? 70 degrees is equal to how much? 180. So x is equal to 180 degrees plus 70 if I transpose minus 70. X equal to how much? 180 minus 70 we can say 110 degrees. So we got x value both and y value also. Let's go for another one now. They are asking find the values of x and y. See, here two lines are intersecting. The angles found opposite are equal to x. Two lines are intersecting. Angles found opposite are x. Now what can you say about these two? Yes, here also two lines are intersecting. The angles found opposite are equal. Yes. Now we can write from figure we can say that x is equal to y. X is equal to y. What is the reason beta? Sir, both are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Yes. Now what we can write here? Now x plus y. We can write x plus y is equal to how much? 180 degrees. This let me make equation 1. So sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason here? Yes, reason is angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangles. So it is angle sum property of triangles. X plus x, 2x plus what is mean by y? We can write y is equal to x also. Let me write x is equal to 180. So I am writing here from equation 1. From equation 1, this in the place of y I wrote x. 2x plus x, 3x is equal to 180. So x is equal, how can I find x value at 180 into 3 transpose by 3? 3 ones are 3 6 80, 300. X is equal to 60. So what is y value? Y is equal to x. Yes, we can write, therefore x is equal to y is equal to how much? 60 degrees. Like that you can find the angle. Hope it is clear for everyone what is angle sum property. What is the condition we have when two lines are intersecting? What is exterior angle property? Based on the knowledge, exercise 6.3 first bit and second bit completing our book. Thank you once again. We'll meet next class.